Hello everyone and welcome back to Cubrid AI. I'm Sharvari. I work as DevRel at Cubrid AI. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Minimax 2.1 chat model on Cubrid AI platform to generate structured responses. So if you're a developer who is looking to build AI assistants, planning tools, or conversational workflows, this video is for you. So make sure that you watch till the end. So before we begin, let me quickly explain what Kubernetes AI does. So Kubernetes AI is a GPU infrastructure platform that lets you run, test, and deploy open source AI models at scale without managing any GPUs by yourself. To get started, you can simply add credits to your account, and on your first top up, you'll receive free bonus credits, which are enough to run inference for up to 4 million tokens, depending on the model you're using. So let's go ahead and log in into our account. So once you log in, you'll arrive at this models page. You can go ahead and search our model. Let's say Minimax. So you can see the details of the models over here. You can click on try and playground, and this is our playground where you can experiment with our models. For this we have text, code, image, audio, video, vision, OCR, these kind of use cases. And for each use case, Kubernetes recommends some suitable models over here. For today, we are going to say Minimax over here. So let's type in some real world prompt. Let's say I am building a AI image generation SaaS. Give me go to market strategy. Let's see how it gives output to us. So as you can see, it started giving us the output. It started with the executives overview, then the market landscape, then we have understanding the competitive environment, defining your position, then the target customers, then product market fit strategy, customer acquisition strategy, pricing strategy, growth strategy, and phase one, phase two, like initial months, what you should do, and then after, then launch and initial growth. So as you can see, this has given us a very structured output. So this is what the speciality of Minimax is. It's great for like structured reasoning and detailed planning tasks. So let's give it a following prompt as well. Let's say give me a roadmap for 30 days. Let's see how it does. So it has given us started giving us a weekly plan, like for day one, market research, customer discovery interviews, then week two, brand and message development, week three, technical and product preparation, launch and execution and initial outreach. So it has also given us a checklist summary as well. So as you can see, how it has given us a very structured output, and you can see how it builds it on the previous responses and gives you more actionable output. This kind of workflow is very useful if you're building any AI assistance or a business intelligence tool or a productivity application, because this model can handle multi-step reasoning and structured outputs very effectively. So once you're happy with the output, and you may want to like integrate it into your application, we support the serverless endpoint. Here we support Python, Curl, JavaScript, and Go. So if you want to like integrate it into any of your application or any backend product, you can just easily copy this endpoint and integrate it into your application. If you want to like create any API key, you can go ahead and click on create an API key and create an API key over here. Add your name of API key, let's say test one. You can set an expiration date of the API key and click on create an API key to create an API key. So once you are like happy with your output and you want to explore it more detailed or like explore other models, you can click on view docs. Here you can see we have introduction, we have quick start, we have manage API keys. Here you can see how you can create an API key. Then we have model quick starts as well, where you can explore other model guides as well. We have image models, we have P image also. Here in P image, you can see we have this image generation and image edit models as well. We have Z image. Here you can see how beautiful this image models have created these images. You can go ahead and try this prompt as well on the playground and let me know what you think about these models in the comments below. So this was it for the today's video. If you have any doubts or ever need any help, you can join our Discord community or open a support ticket or reach out to me directly on the LinkedIn. So that's it for today. And if you're building any application using chat-based models like Minimax 2.1, definitely give Qubit AI a try. And don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. And let me know in the comments what are you building next. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.